Hello children, welcome back to your English learning platform. Hope you all are doing well. Today's topic is Wish Day. Worksheet number 27, activities 1, 2, 3 and 4. After these activities, you will be able to learn some new words related to the topic. Before beginning the activities, be ready with your worksheet number 27, a pencil and an eraser. Are you ready, kids? Yes, let's begin with our first activity, that is, read the words carefully. Children, in this activity, you are given some new words related to the topic Wish Day. I will read each word and you have to repeat after me. Clock, want, excited, waves, animals, pants, floor, cupboard, joyfully, zoo. Let's now move on to activity number 2. That is, the letters of the words below are jumbled. Figure out what the word is with the help of the above clues and write it on the blank line provided. One has been done for you. Children, here the letters of the words are jumbled. Hence, they are not meaningful words. We have to make them meaningful. For example, the first one. Can you identify the word? Yes, it is excited. Children, in the same way, you need to identify each word and complete this activity. Children, we shall now move on to activity number 3. That is, use words from the mind map and choose the suitable words for the pictures given below. Children, you have been given some pictures here. You have to identify the suitable word for each picture from the above activities and fill in the blanks. For example, the first picture. Children, what do you see in the first picture? Yes, animals. Can you identify the second one? Yeah, it is a clock. The third one. Can you identify? Yes, it is waves. Children, in the same way, you need to complete this activity. Children, let's now move on to today's last activity. That is, find the suitable word from the above activities to fill in each blank. Two have been done for you. Children, in this activity, you need to fill in the blanks with appropriate words from the above activities. For example, the first one, an area in which animals, especially wild animals, are kept so that people can go and look at them. Can you guess the answer? Yes, it is zoo. The second one, the panda is becoming an increasingly rare dash. Do you know the answer? Yes, it is animal. Children, in the same way, you need to complete this activity. Kids, now it's time for your home play. Your home play is to complete worksheet number 27. Thank you, kids. See you soon.